Economical handheld drill sleeve assembly. A standard procedure when performing external skeletal fixation is pre-drilling of holes prior to placing fixation pins. Typically, the first two pins of frame assembly are pre-drilled in a freehand fashion with a handheld drill sleeve. Standard AO-type bone plating sleeves are commonly used, but expensive. An economical alternative is available in your SK-ESF pack. Utilizing a single SK clamp and external rod, place the clamp near the rod end, using the secondary bolt to securely hold the clamp in position. Then pass a drill sleeve of appropriate diameter through the primary bolt. With fingertip pressure only or minimal wrench tightening, secure the drill sleeve. Use precaution when tightening to prevent damage to the drill sleeve. A variety of different drill sleeve diameters are available for use with the mini, small, and large SK external fixation clamps, resulting in a large variety of drill bits one can utilize with this method.